Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to play Rewrite the Stars on piano, slow and easy. We will begin by learning the 4 fundamental chords: C major, G major, A minor, and F major. These chords form the backbone of the song. Next, we will gently introduce the right-hand melody for the verse, focusing on each note individually. Remember, patience is key, so let's take it one step at a time. Now let's bring in the left hand. For an easy approach, simply play single bass notes corresponding to each chord: C for C major, G for G major, A for A minor, and F for F major. This creates a solid foundation without overwhelming complexity. Practice the C-G-M-F progression over and over, ensuring a smooth transition between each chord. Aim for a steady, even pulse as you play. With both hands now familiar with their parts, it's time to combine them. Begin by playing the right-hand melody and left-hand chords together at an extremely slow pace. Focus on synchronization, ensuring each note aligns correctly. Once comfortable, you can gradually increase your speed, but always prioritize accuracy over quickness. Experiment with subtle dynamics, playing some parts a little softer or louder to add emotional depth to your performance. To truly master Rewrite the Stars, consistent practice is essential. Dedicate 15 to 20 minutes each day to focused practice sessions. Utilize a metronome to develop a strong sense of rhythm and keep your tempo steady. Additionally, listen to the original song frequently. This helps you internalize its musicality and phrasing. Remember, learning piano is a journey, so enjoy every step of the process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.